feel like my lash is falling off. If my lash is falling off, I'm really sorry. I'm not very good at putting lashes on. I'm going to try and upload as soon as I can. Yeah, Keri, like, that worked out, didn't it? So, yeah, I kind of am slightly back now. I'm not 100%. I'm not gonna say 100% and positively and promise that I'm going to be fully back, but we can only hope. I don't know what happened last time. I feel like I just had no time. I just went through a really crap time in my life at that point, and I just wasn't inspired enough to do kind of what I wanted to do. I feel like I was probably inspired for like a day or so, and that's when I filmed that video, and then now I'm feeling even more inspired after like a year of being like through shit, and then now I'm kind of in a better place. Like, I'm still not the best, like I'm looking for a job, I'm basically sitting at home half the time and it's very stressful, but I'll get there. I will somewhat hopefully get there. Basically, I'm doing the same thing of what I put in my last video. I still want to use the channel as like a portfolio kind of thing, kind of show off what like I can do to a certain extent and see my progress. I have actually already filmed a video, which is this makeup look that's on my face today, so I definitely know there will be another video up at some point after this, once I've edited this one. There's that promise that I can make. I'm not sure how often it will be or how I'm going to make this fully work, but I just got to not put pressure on myself. One thing is what I'm not going to do. I'm just going to put content when I feel like I want to and I'm proud of something. It's kind of like how I do my Instagram. Like, some like looks I do, I take photos and I absolutely hate it. I don't post it because I don't. Personally, I'd like to post and show stuff that I'm proud of, and if I'm not proud of it, there's no point in me posting it for no reason. And that's basically what this video is, just to say I'm going to try again and see if this all works out. Like I said, I'm not going to be like promise anything that I'm going to be here forever, but I'm going to try and post when I can, and if anything does happen, like for example, like I've gone off for a while again, I've heard the best way to know what's going on is probably to follow my Instagram, which I'll leave down below. It's my makeup Instagram. I post more on there than I do probably would video wise, because I don't know, I'm very more confident in just posting photos and filming them, and I'm not the best at it. I've actually got a proper light now. If you'd seen my last video, I was using this little circular one that goes on like the back or front of your phone. I've actually got a proper softbox light now to make the quality a lot better, and I've also tried to sort out my camera so that it works. Like before it kept going on and off and wouldn't record properly, but now it seems like, fingers crossed, we're all good. I'm not going to make this video really long because I always seem to babble on about loads of stuff that you don't care about, so I'm going to leave the video here, and I will have a new video at some point soon. To be notified on that, follow Instagram because I'll probably post it on there. So like I said before, I hope you enjoy my content. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. That was stressful.